What's going on, guys? So I wanted to update you guys a little bit differently on my trades today. So right now we're at Las Palomas Resort here with the TechBuds team, and wanted to give you guys an update on the day. Altogether on the day, as you guys can see, I have $583.73 profit, and I'm gonna keep it super simple. Very consistent uptrend pattern, trading between the middle and top VWAP, overall SMA line as well. And all I've been focusing on is literally buying the lows and selling the highs. Nothing special, nothing different. I've been focusing on direction. I've been focusing on the pattern, and then I've been focusing on the opportunity cost. So again, making sure that the margin of profit is worth it. As of right now, DGAS is a little bit more on the overbought side, so I'm waiting for it to pull back once again. I'll probably buy when it dips, manage my risk. If it breaks below the middle VWAP, I'll cut losses there, and then I'll sell right or close to or near to the overall top VWAP indicator. That's all. Nothing special, nothing different. You guys all know how it is that I trade off the middle and top VWAP, and that's really just it. So I just wanted to provide you guys a quick little update. Again, today's Friday, what is it, March 8th? We're going to be here for the weekend for spring break 2019, and just wanted to kind of show you guys the view that we have here from the Grand Penthouse here at Las Palomas. Sorry, my GoPro died. So I want to thank you guys again so much for watching. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. If you guys want to be able to watch me trade live every single morning, starting Monday, right, obviously because the market's closed on the weekend, be sure to click that first link in the description. We also do run the largest YouTube channel and the largest private Facebook group that's absolutely for free for those who invest in the stock market. Click that second link down in the description. We have nearly 200,000 members within our free Facebook group, and we'd love to stay connected. Hope I earned your thumbs up. Hope you guys absolutely kill it this Friday, and I hope you guys have an amazing and safe weekend. Take it easy, team.